Hello guys, it's your fellow investor here with another video. In this video I'm going to be talking about a penny stock called InnerScope Hearing Technologies. It's trading on OTC markets with ticker symbol INND, and I can already tell you that you can get this stock on TD Ameritrade, Fidelity, Interactive Brokers or possibly E-Trade. I might have forgot some brokers, but I remember these that my viewers, my subscribers are recommending these brokers to use if you like to get into penny stocks. I'll tell you everything you need to know about the company, about its current state, about really positive catalysts coming up very soon or in this year, and why I think it's a great opportunity to hop in after we see that there is actual potential in this company. But before we begin, I'd love to ask you to click on that beautiful red subscribe button if you haven't already, and smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Both helps me out tremendously and it helps us to build a great community of investors. Now let's get into this company. Let's start with the chart. As we can see on the 1 month chart, this company hasn't done much, but if you switch to the 5 days, we can see that for past 5 days it's up 350%, and trust me, this is nothing. There is a huge catalyst and huge potential in this one, and that's why I'm making video about it when it just started. We could really get this stock hyped up. Now let's break down what this company does and why you should be interested in it. If we look into their website, we can see that clearly they are into hearing technologies. They are direct to consumer hearing solutions, not just hearing aids. If we move further down, we can see that they're providing premium affordable hearing products for direct-to-consumer emerging market. Improved hearing increases your and your family's happiness. InnerScope Hearing Technologies as a manufacturer, distributor and retailer of self-fitting FDA-registered hearing aids, self-fitting personal sound amplifier products, hearing-related treatment therapies, doctor-formulated dietary hearing and tinnitus supplements, and assorted ear and hearing aid related products, is on a mission to improve the quality of life of the more than 60 million people in North America and the 1.2 billion people worldwide who suffer from hearing impairment and hearing related issues. As we can see, they're on a great mission and they have really big potential total addressable market. So this is already checking the first box if this is actually scalable company, so if they have scalable products, and they check this box. What they do: InnerScope Hearing Technologies founders have helped tens of thousands of hearing impaired consumers over the decades and is continuing the mission of helping people in North America and around the world. That's great to hear, but what are their actual products? Intel here in Walmart, they are offering premium affordable direct to consumer hearing aids e-commerce. They're offering some hearing and tinnitus vitamins, fully automated hearing screening and hearing information kiosk, and last but not least, they are offering it to retail vendors. So let's go break down their products. Let's start with Intel here. It's another website where they are included and where they work, and we can see that they are very well established and that they are controlling this hearing industry, this hearing niche, and this is something what is almost inevitable. Nowadays, everyone is using headphones or earphones, therefore our ears are actually getting damaged or used way more than back 20-30 years. So I can seriously see this industry or this niche prosper in the next 20 to 30 years because our ears will be damaged sooner or later, and this is going to be a solution which should help us. Premium affordable direct-to-consumer hearing aids. So if we try to click on that, it moves us again on another website. This is their website, and here they are offering all of their other services and products. You can see they are focusing on the elder group because usually elderly people have some problems with hearing, and we can see they have some featuring products. We can see the prices are really big and not really too cheap, so that's why they are getting good revenues from selling these products. They are seriously not cheap. As we can see, there's some different solutions. Here we have their vitamins. There's a lot of information. It's basically just multivitamins which should help you with your hearing or maybe decrease the hearing issue. Even memory boost, which is really good. This is about it. It's a lot of information. I won't go through it all, but feel free to do so on your own. Then we have fully automated hearing screening and hearing information kiosk. InnerScope seeks to deploy a national network of 10,000 kiosks within local, regional, national retailers, pharmacies, grocery stores, optical, other healthcare locations, and many more. And they are actually available for custom solutions. So I think we might see really nice revenues coming from this one. Now that we know what this company does, let's go into some news and details which might be interesting for us for upcoming catalysts. If we head over to their Twitter account, we can see that they are very active here. They are disrupting $10 billion hearing industry, and they've already over 3,000 followers, so they're getting the traction. You can see there are some interviews and such, but what is important to us is that lawmakers are already working on bills laws that would require health insurance companies to cover cost of hearing aids. InnerScope Hearing Technologies is extremely confident if this law passes, then INND hearing aids would be fully covered. This could be worth billions. You can see that they're actually trying to promote their company, their stock themselves, which is nice to see that they are trying to, put out as much PR as possible, because this way it's really easy to, connect with retail investors and convince them to invest into your company, which is nothing wrong. It is actually quite nice to see that they are, interacting with people. If we scroll down even more, we can see that a few days ago there was an update about the stock that INND and NYSE retailer joint PR will be out soon. Until then, basic mutual conservative financial projection from this one retailer says that 60.8 thousand units sold equals to $11.5 million in net revenue for INND first 12 months from this one NYSE retailer starting March 2021. And they say there are more retailers coming. This is actually huge breaking news, and we could see that, with the upcoming law, with this catalyst, there are going to be really big moves, and there are actually people picking up on this stock. If we head into the stock tweets, we can see there are almost 8,000 people watching this stock. So this is no unknown stock, but I'm here to, provide even more coverage because I think it's quite underrated, still under the radar. Also, today should be a meet and greet video coming out on their YouTube channel, so feel free to get there. You can probably find it just by typing InnerScope Hearing Technologies into YouTube and see it for yourself. I won't include it in this video because otherwise it would be too long. Here we have also that they are very active on stock tweets, because there have been some negative things going on about this company, because in past, I don't know how many years it was, they had some mistakes encountered, and some people are trying to bring it up on the surface and trying to talk wrong about this company so they can push the stock price lower and probably buy in. That's not really honest, but this is how stock market works. There are not sometimes that many nice people, but we can see that this company actually defends itself. It's very active and connects with their investors, which is super nice to see. And they say that there are really many new partnerships with new products, and they're saying that their new partnerships are 100 times more powerful and revenue generating than they have done before. This is really convincing for me as an investor that the company can, come out and, say this. They are not saying anything particular, they're just, saying very general where they are heading in the next few months or weeks. This is really good to see for mid-term, short-term and long-term investors. And last but not least, let's have a look into their amount of shares. As we can see, their market cap is just $100 million, which is quite small, and we can see they have over 4 billion unrestricted outstanding shares. That's quite a lot. If we compare it with TSNP, they have just 3.5 billion outstanding shares, but they have actually market cap of $3.6 billion. So what I'm trying to say that if all of people will buy in, this stock price will shoot to the moon. So what do I think about this penny stock? I see a big potential in this one. We can see that it has got a great momentum, great coverage from people and retail investors. They really want to get in here today on Monday, and I'm just really looking forward to see what this company can bring up. We saw that they're going to have really big revenues, and it should really strengthen their financials. And we could see this hitting 20-30 cents in this month with ease. The only thing it needs just a little bit of help from people to buy in, and you can easily see the stock price moving up swiftly. I hope I brought you some value. If I did, definitely subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out any new upcoming videos, and smash that like button if you haven't already. Also, let me know down in the comments below if you are in this company, or are you going to get in this week, this month, or whenever the stock dips. I'm all ears. With that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in another video.